Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss few numericals based on Pascal's law and hydrostatic law. So let's start with first question. So what is given in the question? A hydraulic press has a ram of 30 centimeter diameter and a plunger of 4.5 centimeter diameter. So what is given? What is plunger and what is ram? In piston and cylinder, if the diameter of that piston is very small, then we can consider it as a plunger, and if the diameter is large, then it can be considered as a ram. दोनों लेकिन piston ही है. So here what is given? Diameter of ram is given. So ram बड़ा है, इसको हम capital D से बताते हैं. Okay, and the plunger is 4.5 centimeter in diameter. Okay, so small d is 4.5 centimeter. Find the weight lifted by the hydraulic press when the force applied at the plunger is 500 Newton. So force applied is 500 Newton and we have to find out weight lifted by the hydraulic press. So if I draw the diagram is something like this. So according to this is a ram and here some weight is there. I have to find out this weight and this is a plunger. And the force applied on this plunger is 500 Newton. And the hydraulic press है, so fluid is here. Hydraulic है तो liquid is here. Okay, and both these are connected. So now what they are saying, यहाँ से अगर 500 न्यूटन का फोर्स देते हैं तो यहाँ पर हम कितना वेट लिफ्ट कर सकते हैं, that I have to find out. So first what I have to do, I have to find out the pressure intensity at this point. So pressure, we know that pressure is equal to force upon area. Area is equal to pi by 4 d square. So at this side, force is given to me 500 Newton. Area, can I find out area? Diameter is given and this is the plunger side, so I have to take this small diameter. So pi by 4 d square will give me the area. From this, I can get the value of pressure. So here force is known, area is known. So force is 500 Newton upon area is this 0.00159. कितना आ रहा है ये pressure intensity? 3144 Newton per meter square Pascal. So this is the pressure. This pressure is here. Now from the Pascal's law, I can say that यहाँ पर जितना pressure है, the same pressure is here. So I can say that this pressure intensity is same here also. So from this I can write this pressure is equal to again force upon area. Here the force is Newton जो हमको find out करना है, that is a W upon area is pi by 4 capital D square. So यहाँ पर मुझे pressure पता है, this is the pressure, pi by 4 D square I can find out. So from that I will get the value of W. So by applying this much force on the plunger side, I can lift this much amount of weight. Answer 22.22 kilonewton. Write down this second question. Yes, so what is given in the question? An open tank contains water up to a depth of 2 meters and above it an oil of specific gravity 0.9 for a depth of 1 meter. Okay, so one tank is there, open tank is there. So this is the open tank. So an open tank contains water up to a depth of 2 meters. So in this tank, water is there up to the depth of 2 meters. Means from bottom, if I check, this is up to 2 meters. Above it, an oil of specific gravity 0.9 for a depth of 1 meter. So above this, oil is there. So oil को मैं किस तरीके से बताता हूँ. So this is the oil and the height is 1 meter. Specific gravity of the oil is given. .9. find the pressure intensity. What we have to find? Pressure intensity means pressure we have to find at the interface of the two liquids. At the interface of the two liquids मतलब यहाँ पर let's say this is point number 1. So pressure 1 we have to find, and second at the bottom of the tank. So here we have to find out P2. Okay, so what is given in the question? One open tank is there. In that two liquids are there. एक लिक्विड जो है वो वाटर है, दूसरा ऑयल है. वाटर जो है वो 2 मीटर हाइट तक है, ऑयल जो है वो 1 मीटर हाइट तक है. एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द प्रेशर एट द interface of two liquids and at the bottom. Density of oil is equal to specific gravity of oil into density of water, which is 1000. So ये हो जाएगा 0.9 into 1000, 900 kg per meter cube. P1 मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है. सो P1 इज इक्वल टू, P1 कहाँ पे बोला है हमने? ये ऑयल के लिए. सो क्या रहेगा यहाँ पे? रो जी जेड कौन सा आएगा? 1 मीटर ना, मतलब Z2. यहाँ पर नोटेशन आप लोग चेंज कर सकते हैं आपके अकॉर्डिंग. सो रो जी Z2. सो हियर रो इज 900 into 9.81 into Z2 is 1 meter. So from here you will get the pressure in Newton per meter square. This is 8829 Newton per meter square. And second one is I have to find out this P2. How to find out this? So मैं यहाँ पर क्या करूँगा? P2 के लिए मैं अगर यहाँ पर इस डेंसिटी को रो बोलता हूँ तो ओके. सो रो जी Z2 that is the pressure intensity of oil plus rho Wg into Z1. Rho W is density of the water. So 1000 into 9.81 into 2 meter. ये दोनों का जो एडिशन रहेगा that will be my P2. कितना आ रहा है? 428,449 Newton per meter square. Write down this third one. So what is given? The diameter of a small piston and a large piston of a hydraulic jack at 3 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. Two diameters are given. Two diameters of the pistons are given. One is small, one is large. A force of 80 Newton is applied on a small piston. Find the load lifted by the large piston when first condition is piston are at the same level, and second condition is small piston is 40 centimeter above the large piston. The density of the liquid in the jack is given as 1000 kg per meter. Okay, so write down what is given. So if I draw the diagram for case 1, diameters are given. Small diameter and large diameter is given. I think this is 3 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter. Force is which is applied on small piston, that is 80 Newton. So if I draw the diagram for first case, कितना वेट यहाँ पर लिफ्ट करेगा? ये क्या दिया है अगेन? यहाँ पर फोर्स इज नोन टू अस. फोर्स फ्रॉम हियर इज 80 न्यूटन. डायमीटर इज गिवन, सो आई कैन फाइंड आउट द एरिया. So pressure is equal to force upon area. From that I will come to know what is pressure at this point. The same pressure will be everywhere around the liquid according to the Pascal's law. So now here I know the pressure. The same pressure is here. So again pressure is equal to force upon area. So area of this piston I can find out with the help of diameter, and force will be the weight. कितना वो लिफ्ट कर सकता है. So for case A, force or W is 888.9 Newton. Then case 2 or case B. अभी यहाँ पर क्या बोला है? In case B, small piston is 40 centimeter above the large piston. Means what? ये ऐसे ही डायग्राम नहीं रहेगा ये. सो मैं अगर यही डायग्राम को मॉडिफाई करता हूँ तो कुछ ये इस तरीके से आएगी. Now for this W कितना आएगा? First I have to find out pressure intensity at this point. Let's say this is section AA. So pressure intensity at section AA is equal to pressure due to height 40 सेंटीमीटर प्लस यहाँ पर तो मेरा फोर्स लग रहा है 80, सो फोर्स अपॉन एरिया, दैट इज द टोटल प्रेशर जो ए पर है यहाँ पर अभी. सो प्रेशर ड्यू टू हाइट 40 सेंटीमीटर दैट आई कैन फाइंड आउट बाय रो जी एच. So rho here the density is given 1000 into 9.81 into h is 40 सेंटीमीटर, मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे 40 into 10 प्लस दिस फोर्स अपॉन एरिया हमने पहले ही निकाला है. यहाँ पर फोर्स इज 80 अपॉन एरिया इज पाई बाय 4 स्मॉल d स्क्वायर. So this is the total pressure at section AA. This is 1171 Newton per meter square or 11.71 Newton per centimeter square. So now I know the pressure intensity at this point. Now with the help of Pascal's law again I can find out this W. So this pressure is equal to W upon pi by 4 capital D square, which is 919.7 Newton. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video.